Once upon a time, in the land of Brainville, lived tiny messengers called neurons. They zipped and zoomed, carrying important news all day long. One day, a bright spark of an idea popped into a young neuron's head. How do we remember things? The older neurons chuckled. Ah, that's the magic of memory. When something important happens, like learning to ride a bike, we create a special path. This path is called a neural pathway. The young neuron was curious. How do we make these paths? An old wise neuron explained, every time you experience something new, we neurons fire signals to each other. The more we fire together, the stronger the path becomes. Imagine you're walking through a field of tall grass. The first time, it's hard to push through. But if you walk the same way every day, the grass gets flattened and it becomes easier to walk. That's like a neural pathway. Another neuron chimed in, and to keep the path strong, we need to revisit it often. That's why practicing your times tables or reading a book again helps you remember. The young neuron asked, but what if we don't use a path for a long time? The wise neuron sighed. Then the path can fade away, like the grass growing back up. That's why we sometimes forget things if we don't think about them. The neurons also explained about feelings. When something makes you feel happy or sad, the path gets even stronger. That's because emotions act like glue, sticking the memory in place. They showed the young neuron how sleep helps. While you sleep, we tidy up all the paths and make sure everything is in its place. It's like organizing your toys after a day of playing. The young neuron learned that memories aren't just stored in one place. They're spread out all over Brainville. Different parts of the brain help with different kinds of memories. For example, one area helps you remember facts, while another helps you remember how to ride a bike. The neurons also talked about how important it is to keep Brainville healthy. Eating good food, getting enough sleep, and learning new things helps us all stay strong. And when we're strong, we can make even better memories. The young neuron finally understood. Memory is like a garden, where each neural pathway is a path. The more you walk the path, the stronger it becomes. And with care and attention, the garden of your mind will bloom with memories for years to come. The young neuron thanked the older neurons. Now I know how memories form and stay. From that day on, the young neuron helped others understand the magic of memory. And every time someone learned something new, the neurons of Brainville celebrated by creating a brand new neural pathway. They knew that each memory was a precious gift, a story waiting to be told again and again. So, remember to keep your mind active, explore new ideas, and cherish every moment. Because every experience is a chance to create a beautiful, lasting memory. And who knows what amazing paths you'll create in your own Brainville? The end. Remember to always keep learning. Learning is like building new roads in your brain. The more you learn, the more connected your brain becomes. And the more connected your brain is, the easier it is to remember things. So, keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep learning. Your brain will thank you for it. And you'll be amazed at all the things you can remember. Happy learning! The end. The end.